All right, so what we've got here is the 66 Super Sport Impala. The engine is 454 now. The old 396 that came in it is currently sitting over here in the dust. Um, we may get around to doing something cool with that, but for now, um, getting this beast back on the road. And right now it's running fine, running great. So we're going to be changing it to the EFI system. Okay, um, get more power. So what we've got here, or more consistent power, I should say, is the Edelbrock EZ Street EFI throttle body. As you can see, it looks like a big block. I'm sorry, a big double pumper Holly, basically, kind of the same shape. However, it is bigger uh, dimensionally, so that's something that we'll go over in the installation videos. Those are the wire and harness that it comes with, and the gaskets, and the control unit that goes with it, as well as an oxygen sensor and bung to weld on, and a temperature sensor to put in your intake manifold, as well as uh, this one does not come with the fuel regulator. I bought that separate, and as well as a 10 micron or 100 micron, I can't remember which, um, fuel filter. Okay, and this is the like I said, the new Easy Street EFI system from Edelbrock. It just came out in 2025 at the SEMA show, was introduced, and they just started shipping just this last week. So they gave me a call and asked me what size T-shirt I wanted. So um, I just got it yesterday, and so I thought I'd start our first YouTube videos repair series with what we're doing with this. Anyway, so it does not come with fittings and all that stuff. So we've got a bag full of goodies from Evil, and clamps and whatnot for setting this thing up. Um, I did order from tanks.com a separate fuel tank for the 66 Impala that has the electric fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump, and you order it that way, um, built into it, instead of doing an external pump or a sump unit, which Edelbrock supplies both. But this one does come from Tanks, and it does come with the correct ohm fuel sending unit, as well as the correct pressure pump that you order for your system for the pressure that you need. Um, these are just two vent lines, that one from the tank and one from the unit, both one's higher than the other, but I'm gonna tee those together and put them into the shut-off valve. If you roll your car, when it goes upside down, and wire that all in. But these tanks do fit the 65 and 66, I'm sure, but I'm not sure about any other years. You have to do your own research. I probably up to 70, 1970 Chevrolet Impalas. So other than that, get ready for the installation of the Edelbrock Easy Street EFI. Now, it is controlled by Android or Apple phones. The Android setup does have logging, which is nice, and so we're going to be using the Android tablet and Android phone as well to get this all set up. That way it can be Bluetooth connected instead of with a wire and a little bitty screen. So that is one of the major good things that some of the other suppliers don't have. Holly, for example, don't have a Bluetooth for their 4150 Stealth model, which looks like a carburetor as well. Probably very similar in system, but I wanted that Bluetooth connectability to get on with the Impala, so I don't have a little screen connected that I have to hang in the glove box or on the dash or anything like that. So keep it kind of stock looking, somewhat, for what it is. Anyway, stay tuned for more. We're going to be doing videos of the tank install next on the lift, then taking the EFI system and putting that on. After that, it'll be all the setup video, how that turns out, and some driving as well as learning. With this cam, which is a comp cam, Magnum cam, it might take a little while longer than normal learning. Hopefully, we won't have any issues, but we will let you know. Stay tuned.